Yeah, I think we are live.
Okay.
Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you to a session on building personalized chatbots with AOI Gen AI. And we have today as a speaker with us Mr. Saket Kumar, who is a senior consultant for Microsoft and has also worked or contributed to Open AI in Azure, I think. So, stage all
Yeah.
your Saket.
Hey, thank you. Hello, everyone. Good evening, first of all, and I hope you all are doing good. So today, here we are to learn AI concept, and I'm hoping you all are new to AI. So we can start with the basic concept of AI. If I'm not wrong, please correct me.
Right. Saket, are you sharing your screen? Because if you are, or if you will, you have to inform us so that we can bring it up.
Let me do one thing. One moment, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Is my screen up? Are you able to see my PPT presentations?
Okay, we cannot see it yet.
Okay. Let me share it again then. 1 minute. Window entire screen. One moment. I think let me upload that file. One moment. September community. It's in processing. One moment. It's uploading. Let me know once PPT is live to you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Is this visible?
Not yet. Give it a minute, I think.
Actually, I tried to share my whole screen, but somehow it's blocked. But I upload that PPT, or maybe if I share to you here, can I share in the chat box? If you can share, let me try it again, maybe.
Okay, so the first time when you share your screen and closed
Mm-hmm.
it, it did work, but then it stopped because I think you said you were
Okay,
going to share
okay.
it some other way.
One
So it did
minute.
work the first time.
Let me share it again. Let me know if it's visible.
Yes, it's visible now. Fly high with AI.
Okay, great, great. Let me one moment. Let I'm sharing again. I'm stopping and sharing again. Let me make it in full mode. Okay, hope it's visible to everyone.
Yes, it's visible now.
Okay, great. So let me start with some concept of AI. We'll see during the session. So let me start from my side. I'm Saket Kumar, Microsoft Senior Consultant, and majorly work in Azure and AI stuffs. And I have approx 14 plus year of experience in Azure AI and .NET technologies. And here in Microsoft, I worked with multiple assignments. Uh, Azure AI kind of projects, and I'm majorly worked in hackathon projects as well. We are working here on some good ideas on hackathons where we utilize these AI stuffs. But here I got to know you guys are also working some hackathon or want to learn this AI. So I'll try to give some basic concept of AI, then maybe we can follow up with some deep dive or next level sessions on the AI as well. Okay, so today agenda is we are going to discuss on only two hot topics which are very hot in this time in the industry, and everybody is going to learn these topics and utilize their these capabilities. And I'm sure these two topics are really helpful for your career building. And if may I know all are from college graduates or any professionals as well here in this session? Just wanted to know my audience so that I can deliver in a better way. Okay, so I'm assuming all are from college students or college background. Nobody is here professional or anybody. Anyway, so what are these two topics? First one is artificial intelligence. It's a very small word, AI, but its benefits and uses are very big. So we'll discuss in detail about the artificial intelligence and their concepts. And our second topic will be Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so Microsoft Copilots is our copilots or companion where we utilize in our day-to-day life. We can see few examples how to utilize these Microsoft Copilots as well. So let's start with the AI. Okay, so hope everybody is uh, that screen is visible to everyone. Your friend AI. Why I write here your friend AI? Most of the people have some misconceptions. AI after coming the AI, lot of jobs are going and lot of stuffs are happening. Everything is every work is doing by AI. But I'm assuring you, I agree, few jobs, few manual work jobs can be eliminated, but lot of other jobs are generated by the AI. So if 10 jobs are eliminated, maybe 20 plus jobs are generated by the AI. So no need to worry about that. First, we need to learn AI. What is AI? And then we need to utilize that AI as a friend that is really helpful, just like your friend. Okay, it's a very simple word, that artificial intelligence. But why we say it is artificial? You guys can think about that term artificial intelligence. Why it is artificial? Because it's not natural. It's created by us or you or industry expert. So that's why it's artificial. But how that term intelligence created by us or you or any industry experts, where they are mean to say that intelligence part is compared to somewhere. And if I can give you an example, all the human beings are intelligent enough, and in today era all the experts engineers are just copying the human intelligence. We are just copying the human capability so that machines can do work like human. Okay, so that's why it's called artificial intelligence. It's just the copy of human intelligence. If we are relating that human intelligence, then it's very easy terms and easy to understand. So today uh, we will compare with human intelligence and then learn these concepts, how that computer work on that intelligent part. Okay. Any questions till now? If you have any questions, you can post in chat. Maybe I'm not looking very frequently that chat. Anybody can comment here. So when we start with the AI, I hope that AI term is clear to everyone, why that artificial intelligence is, and why it's come in this era, why everybody is working towards the AI part, right? Because all the manual work we can do with the AI, artificial intelligence, everything it can do. In next during these sessions, we will see what are the things can do by artificial intelligence. And in today era, you heard, if you are a college students or any professionals, you heard that most of the codes whatever done by earlier in the developer or software engineers, AI can do this time now. That's the truth. AI can do a high quality code, a reliable code, and I'll show you in this session how AI is capable enough to that code. So when we start with AI, we have one term is called ML. ML is just a basic term where we start in the AI. That's a machine learning. So whenever machines are start learning from our or human, from our hobbies or how we are doing work in day to day life, so machines are also learning. It's not any automated process. We did some process to learn the machines. And let's say I'm giving an example. uh, uh, I'm assuming you are new to AI, but when you go after these sessions, you have some understanding of artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence work. Okay, so if let's say your friend is not joining today's session, but you join, what is the difference between you and your friend? The difference is that you understand the artificial intelligence, but still your friend didn't understand the artificial intelligence. Because you learn here, your mind learn artificial intelligence in the same way machine can learn. If we want to give some let's say I have 5 documents today, and I want I can give these documents to machines. Machine can learn these documents due to some process built by experts or engineers. So machine can same way, let's say today you learn AI and I learn new concept, same way machine also can learn this type of concept and start responding with their learning. So that's the basic concept of machine learning and how machines can learn. That's a very big process. There are a lot of things happening behind that. It's a little bit complex, but we can just understand what is ML. That's fine for basic level as of now. Now our next topic is NLP. So NLP is natural language processing. So how we can relate it with the human? Because I told you in a few minutes before, artificial intelligence we can relate with the human intelligence. Whatever we do, artificial intelligence also did uh, all the stuffs, right? The same way. Then how we can relate NLP with our human intelligence? So let's say if I'm giving an example, let's say in a seminar hall, or maybe uh, in anyway when you are uh, talking with your friends, right? And somebody's come and announce your name, then just try to understand that process. If somebody announce your name, then what happen? if I'm giving one by one these instructions, somebody says, hey Rahul. If Rahul is there, Rahul got that context. Somebody says, hey Rahul. Somebody says that command, hey Rahul, and Rahul mind read that command and then analyze. Somebody called my name and Rahul mind check, am I Rahul? If yes, then Rahul respond. If some other person also listen that command, hey Rahul, but their mind interpret that command and check, am I Rahul? No. So second person is not responding. So that's called kind of natural language processing. If somebody is talking to you, your mind is able to interpret that commands and that sentence or whatever he say, and according to their sentence you can respond back to your friends or any third person. We can easily do in our day to day life. One on one conversations we do, right? So whenever you talk with your friend easily interact with you. How it's happen? Because you are able to process their command or sentences, whatever he delivered to you, right? And then you are able to answer. If let's say, if I'm giving an example, you know Hindi and English only, and somebody is come in front of you, let's say some Chinese come there and want to interact with you in the Chinese language. Are you able to interact with that Chinese person when you don't know the Chinese language? I think no, right? Why? Because you are not able to. You are listening. You can listen that person. Your mind try to process that language, but you cannot respond back because you are not able to interpret their language. You are not able to understand that language, right? But let's say you go to somewhere and take a coaching of Chinese language for 2 3 months, and now you are expert in Chinese language. You can easily understand. Now that same kind of person come to you and try to communicate, then you are easily able to understand that Chinese language and able to respond back that person, right? You go to learn that Chinese means that machine learning part. You are going to train your mind, you are going to train yourself. That's called machine learning in computer. Your mind learn, or you learn that Chinese language, and when you back and you try, you understand that topic or language or that sentence and able to communicate back. That's the natural language processing. It's a very simple term if you relate with your human intelligence. I hope these two concepts are easily understandable. And if you guys have any questions, you can put in the chat box in these two concepts. Okay, I take it as yes, everybody is understanding ML and NLP. Okay, my next one is computer vision. Just think about that sentence, computer vision. Just try to bifurcate these two words. One is computer, second one is vision. Computer is our computer machine. Vision is something like to see something, analyze something. Let's say maybe you guys. I hope you guys see me, right? You guys are able to see these slides, right? So if we compare with human being, you guys are able to see these slides and you are able to see that image as well, right? There is one image on the left hand side of that slide, that artificial image, right? So you are able to see, and after watching that image or after watching these presentations, you can able to read your friend AI. What is AI? What is artificial? uh, why it is artificial, everything you can read, right? How is it possible? Just think about that. How is it possible? It's very easy to see, yeah, I'm able to see that presentation, I'm able to read. It's very easy to say like that, but if you go into the background processing, then you can understand how God create us with all these capabilities. So the same way, we can see our environment, weather, we can see our friend, we can see the presentations, you can see your presenter, your clicks, your room, everything you can see, right? The same way, our machines can see everything. And that concept called computer vision. And how it's happen? How it's happen? It's very easy. Y- This time it's very easy, but when someone built this concept, it was not easy, I'm sure. Right now, it's a kind of low code concept in Azure. I hope everybody is aware about cloud computing Azure. So we have one services. We can create some services for artificial intelligence, and in these services, we can easily implement machine learning, NLP, computer vision. It's a low code. I'm saying very few code you need to do to consume this type of services. What you can do with your computer vision? If I'm giving an example of computer vision, let's say if you provide one document or any image to computer can easily read the entire document. What happened internally? It computer upload uh, all the things, all the documents and images, and analysis the complete image whatever it's uploaded. After analysis, it read one by one. It can imagine that scene as well, where you are standing, you are running, or any other part in image. Let's say if I upload that image, you can see in your screen. So if I upload that image to that computer vision service, computer vision service give me a lot of things about these pics. One person standing in front of five or six folks and giving some seminars, and one robot is there, and this is artificial intelligence image. Lot of things happen in the background of that person, and all the folks are sitting, have their laptop, diary, and coffee cup. So computers can easily understand everything and give each and every detail to us. So let me give a few more examples of computer vision. Everybody has heard about cameras on roads, right? Whenever if you visiting in your city, there might be a camera on the road, and if you cross the speed limit, then they capture your image, your car image or your bike image, and send a challan to your home. How is it possible? That possible only with computer vision. How it happen? How that process work? That process work. Let's say you are in your car, and on maybe any national highway, you are uh, going with your car, and your speed is maybe 100 and speed limit is 80. Let's say we will take that example. So camera capture your image, and during the image it's capture the your car number and the entire car image as well, and also sense the speed of your car as well. And it checks if your speed is greater than, the assigned limit. What is the assigned limit? Assigned limit is 80 kmpl, kmph. Okay. So If your speed is 100 or 90, then it's scan your number from that image because it's capture that image. And then there is an API from that number. It's send the details of your car numbers to that API, and that API fetch all the details about you, your addresses, your phone number, or car owner, everything they'll get, and they make a challan and send that challan to your mobile. Instantly, you'll get that challan. I hope you guys aware about that process. So that's this kind of things happening just because of our computer vision. I hope you are able to relate the computer vision. Another example I also can give on the computer vision. It's very famous in today's life. Biometric scan. Everybody have their smartphone, and that phone can be unlocked with your face, right? I hope everybody have that kind of smartphone, and you can unlock with your face. That's also one example of computer vision. How it's happen? If you know the process of unlocking the phone, then I think you can easily connect. So when you buy a phone, then you set up these kind of security features on your phone. So first you train your phone with your face, your retina, and the complete face you'll train with your phone. After that, when you train your phone with your images, that's called machine learning. Your phone is machine, and now your phone learn who are you, and it's capture all the aspect of your face and all the biometric things it's capture and saved somewhere. And when somebody is trying to unlock, it's try to match with your details. If all the details are matched, then phone is unlocked. Otherwise, phone is locked. So that's another example of computer vision. I hope that is understandable. Any other example required? Because I have a lot of example of computer vision and others as well. If you guys need any examples, you can put it in chat. Surely I'll try to give. Or if you have any questions, you can ask. Uh, So I can assume I'm able to give all the concept of these three things: ML, NLP, and computer vision. So if no questions, we can start next. 1 minute. Oh, it's a very interesting topic is coming. So these three concept I talked about, ML, NLP, and computer vision, that's a core of artificial intelligence. But now we have one more very big topic, that's Azure OpenAI. Let me give some history of Azure OpenAI first. So actually, what is OpenAI? OpenAI is one organization, that OpenAI organization work on the research of artificial intelligence, and that OpenAI organization create large language model, LLM you called, and small language models, and they release these models uh, on different kind of services. And also that OpenAI release their service in Azure as well, where we can utilize the capabilities of OpenAI in Azure. If you guys know about Azure, you can go to Azure subscription, create a OpenAI instance, and you can utilize the capabilities of Azure OpenAI. In Azure OpenAI, if I'm giving an example of ChatGPT, that's a big example of OpenAI. I hope everybody heard about ChatGPT. And the second example of Azure OpenAI, I can give the Microsoft Copilot. If you guys don't know about that Microsoft Copilot, that's a mobile applications uh, in Android and iPhone. You can go there and download this Microsoft Copilot applications and utilize the capabilities of OpenAI's and ChatGPT capabilities in that application. It's free of cost. Everybody can utilize in day-to-day life. Okay, so what we can do with the OpenAI? Actually, OpenAI is mainly work for Gen AI. Gen AI is a very generic and basic term. It's a generative AI mainly. So, how it is different from that AI and Gen AI is how different from our traditional AI. So that's a big question actually. And in this aspect, let me give you one example. Uh, let's say in our traditional AI, we give all our data to that AI, and it's give all the detail from only that data. It was limited that time. But in Gen AI is a generative AI, means it can generate the text based on your input. If somebody say write a program to calculate the simple interest, let's say I'm giving that input to that OpenAI, so that OpenAI generate a code for me. There might be a chance this is that code generated for me might be different for another one as well, because it's generated at the runtime, and it's a very conversational. It's like you talked with your friends. Okay, but when you talked with your friends, let's say you have one friend Rakesh, and you talked with Rakesh, hey, how was your day? And he give you some points. Yeah, I did this one, I did this one, I did this one. And if your another friends come and ask to Rakesh, hey, how was your day? There might be a chance the output of Rakesh about their day might be he can miss something or add something. There might be a chance that output for both the friends have some differentiations. So that in the same way, generative AI works in Azure OpenAI. So it's very simple to learn. Right now, I don't have any demo ready, but if we have any follow-up sessions, I'll give you the demo of all the things of computer vision, NLP, and Azure OpenAI, especially how these capabilities are worked and how you can utilize in your projects or in your day-to-day life as well. Okay, I hope that Azure OpenAI is you guys are able to understand. So that's the uh, OpenAI is only a service in Azure. You can go there and create that service and utilize the capability. And if you want some tools or application already built on OpenAI, I'll already give example ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilots. Both are used GPT models and Azure OpenAI capabilities. And I hope you heard uh, some latest large language models are released by OpenAI. One is for Omni model 4O, and recently, few days back, one more model is released by OpenAI is 1O. Okay, so these are very capable and very interesting large language models we can utilize, and the capabilities of this model is it's very actually I cannot explain here what's the capability. I have some videos, maybe if time permits I can show these videos to you how Omni model works, how it solve our problem, and how it's help in our day-to-day life. And I analyze as well when we give some exams to these models, maybe any big exams, any NEET exams, or any other college exams, that AI model is capable enough to solve the entire exam, and it's rank good in that. So you can understand the capabilities of these models. Okay, so let's go to next. minute. Okay, yeah. So one more tools we can use that Bing search. Bing search is also use the capabilities of OpenAI. I hope you have search engines. One search engines is Bing search you can utilize, and that Bing search is used all the GPT models, latest GPT models, and OpenAI capabilities, where you can search your any queries, create any image. While creating the image, it's use the Delhi uh, Delhi models, and while generating the code, it's use codex, and for generating the context or text, it's used gpt models. Okay, so everything is used in the Bing search. Maybe you guys, if you are online and you are able to open that Bing, you can open, or in your mobile also you can download the Bing and start utilizing these OpenAI capabilities. Maybe if I can give you one demo of Bing. Let me try. 1 minute. I need to share my another image, another screen. Okay, let me share my screen again. I'm switching from PPT to my Bing. Okay, hope my screen is visible to everyone. The browser. Okay, this is the browser I used, Edge, and in Edge there is a Bing search, and here you can see the Copilot. And if you click on the Open Copilot, it's free of course. Everybody can use. So here you can see a lot of prompts are already there. Get calendar informations, catch up on the meetings. If you have meetings, it shows all the meetings for you. But if you want to search on the entire internet, then there is a switch of web. Okay, let me see. Let me give one example. Let me give one example of uh, write a program to calculate the simple interest in C sharp or Python, whichever language you want. You can. Let me see. It's live. So that Copilot or that Bing search is able to write the complete code. That the principal convert to double. Okay, it's reading from the console, and the rate, the time, the simple interest, principal into rate into time divided by 100. Everything it's able to return within a second. You see the capabilities. So these kind of things we can do with Bing search. Let me give one more example. I want to create one interesting image. You can create the image as well. Earlier, when you copy the image for your presentations or projects or everywhere, you need to search from search engine. There might be a copyright on that image. But now, when we have Bing search or OpenAI capabilities provided by Microsoft, you can create your own image. You can create your own image without any issue of copywriting. So how we can create that image, and also you can create the logo as well. Whatever you want you can create in the form of image. I want to create a image. Create an image where university graduate sitting in seminar hall and attending the AI session by the expert. just that prompt I provided. Okay, it's starting. Let's see what it's going to generate. I'll try to create that.
Right. So, hey Saket, meanwhile, Copilot is creating that
Yep.
image.
Yeah.
Since we are short on time, there are a few questions from the
Okay.
audience that we
Great.
can cover up. While
Yes. Yes.
goes on, yeah. So, Rita Chakraborty has a question that how machines can learn in the way that you explained, because we know that they only understand binary, ones and zeros.
Mm-hmm.
So, how
Correct.
do they learn?
Yes. Yes. That's a great question. Actually, machine only learn the binaries. That's perfectly fine. Right now, in these days, also machine can understand only zero and one, only the binaries. So when we give informations to any machine, then there is a process, lot of programming happen. Let's say I want to learn my machine with one PDF documents. Okay, and that PDF should completely learn by my machine. I upload that PDF on that program where that process happen. There is a lot of program or algorithm written by the experts. All the uh, um, pages or PDF is converted into the binary and then give to that machine. Okay, so that's the simple way. Machines only understand the binaries, right? But our program take care everything. Our program converted in each and every way. So there are a lot of algorithms. You need to learn these algorithm, how this algorithm read the content and provide it to the machine. So there is a bridge between our document and that machine. What is that bridge? That bridge is our program that written by expert to understand to um, learn that machines. Okay, so that algorithm you need to understand first. Okay, there are a lot of logics they put there, and how first how to read that PDF file and how to ingest there in the database in the current era. To learn these machines, we have some RAG patterns called retrieval augmented pattern are there. If you guys are little bit more technical in that way, you can search the RAG, how that RAG work. RAG is the one technique in these days to used in training the machines. Okay, hope I'm able to answer your questions.
Yes, Saket, that was very wonderful. Thank you for that. On a similar note, I have a question that you
Hmm.
mentioned machine vision, right?
Yes.
Computer vision. So,
Hmm.
if computers only have zeros and ones as their input, how are they able to perceive motion in a video? How are they able to see a car is moving? How can they understand that? They only see
Correct.
zeros and ones.
Correct, correct. So in zeros and one, there is a combination, right? Right. How you write one, how you write two, how you write three in zeros and one. In that, I think in your electronics, maybe these terms are easily understandable. When you do this lab, how machine understand this is one, this is two, this is three. There is some annotations, right? Notations you'll provide, correct? So in the similar way, the program written by the experts, that program taken care everything, and it give all the information in that notations only. Okay, that's the simple way I can give you the answer, but it's not very simple, but it's a very complex term. But that's the simple way I can give you. You can relate. So in the similar way, if I'm asking you, maybe when you are in your college and you did some classes on zero and one, when that machine learning happen, and you put you press 5, how computer understand 5? There are some notations happen, maybe 001 00 0101 0111. These notations are running. for computers, and computer are easily able to understand these notations, right? Computer are able to understand 5. In the same way that program provide all the notations for moving car, or this is the number of car, this is the sentence, all the notation provided to our machines.
Thank you, Saket. That was, I think, the last question. Thank you for this wonderful session. There was a lot to be learned over here. And
Thank you.
if possible, please do share your presentation slides with the team so that we can send them to
Yeah,
the, yeah. Uh,
sure, sure.
Thank you. I think we can close the session now.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone.
Thank you for being there with us today.
Thank you. Bye bye.